Good luck. Here we go. Tin number 4. I'm 10, 11. We got a Jason Kidd autograph, number 25. A J.R. Smith patch autograph, number 10. And those are the big highlights so far. 3 redemptions already in the first 3 packs. 2 of which were Eric Bledsoe, the other one, Jeremy Lin. There we go. Pack number 4. Another, looks like might be a patch in there. Alright, base cards. We got Shaq. Oh, look at that. 4 for 4. Boom. 4 packs, 4 redemptions. Shaq for the Celtics. I'm going to get real mad tonight. Derek Favors, jersey card for the Nets. Rookie jersey. Derek Favors. That one is numbered to 99. And we got the patch. We'll slow roll the patch again because I don't know what it is. It's like 07, 08. Rookie year. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty nice looking patch auto. Al Thornton. Pretty nice patch. Al Thornton for the Clippers. 3-color logo patch autograph. That's pretty sick. Nice looking card. That one is numbered 14 of 25. Nice looking cards. Jason Terry base for the Dallas Mavericks. And the redemption is a rookie recruit. Who would have guessed? Card number 124. It's a different one. Damian James. Damian James is card 124. I think he's on the Nets, right? Damian James. 4-4, Davey. On a roll with those bad boys. On a roll. Just how we like it, Panini. That's just how we like it. That's what we like, man. It's so pumped when I see that. Remember back in 2008, like you 08 Premier, 08 Sweet Spot, and you got a redemption. It was like, you knew it was going to be a good card. You're like, holy shit, redemption, probably going to be sick. Because it was like some rare, tough player they couldn't get. Get fucking redemptions of Damian James right now. Sick. You can get a damn rookie to sign. Alright. Here we go. Alright, base cards. Bulls, Carlos Boozer. Got a jersey of Tim Duncan for the... Oh, that's what the rookie recruit looks like. We finally get to see one. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Number 25 of 99. Here's what the rookie recruit looks like. This is Quincy Pondexter for the Hornets. Numbered to 299. Quincy Pondexter, Hornets. And for the Cavs, we got a LeBron James rookie year triple jersey, numbered 68 of 99. Steven Jackson and Kevin Love, Bobcats and T-Wolves, respectfully. Feels kind of heavy. Got Bill Walton on the cover of this one. In case you're keeping track. The whole next row is all John Wall. John Wall covers. Alright. There's a redemption in here. Alright, Manu Ginobili for the Spurs. Devin Harris for the Nets. We got a jersey card of J.J. Redick for the Magic. Numbered 21 of 99. Sorry, 71 of 99. There's our redemption. And we got Chris Paul for the Hornets. Look at this. Hornets, right? Weren't they one of the teams we combined because they weren't supposed to be good? Number to 99 triple jersey of Chris Paul for the Hornets. And a Jason Terry base for the Mavericks. We got a rookie recruit. It's card number 138. Landry Fields. Landry Fields. That's a good one, right? Yeah, Landry's a good one. That's the Knicks. Landry Fields, 138. Nice! Wow, look how sick it... Doesn't it look good? Look at good picture of him. Dunking on that guy right there. Dunking all over him, dude. Sick. It's our 5th redemption in 6 tins. Thanks for watching. Peace.